Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a quick Walmart haul. There's probably going to be another haul after this because just the way the filming is going this week, I just grabbed the things I needed and I will grab the rest towards the end of the week. So Walmart, I don't know if I said that, this was like $85 and I'm going to start as always on this side and work my way over. I got this peppered salami for a little like charcuterie, meat, cheese, fruit type of board that I'm gonna make. I'm filming this on Sunday, the day before Labor Day, and we're having some family over today, so I needed to get some things for that. Cream cheese, because I have fresh bagels that I stocked up on. I froze half and we have half in the fridge. This is for Matt. I don't eat cream cheese on my bagels, just butter. Sour cream, because I want to have it when I make like tacos, enchiladas, that kind of thing for Matt. I got a couple cans of whole kernel corn. I have been working on organizing my cabinets, my pantry cabinet in the basement, and these I definitely needed. I didn't have any. I was going to get 2 of these for my cat, but they literally only had this, and I did see 3 loose packets. So I just bought whatever I could. Since my cat is 16, I try to get the senior one whenever I can. I got some Ritz crackers for that meat and cheese board that I have to make after I film this. Some Wise brand little crispy onion rings. They're kind of like Funyuns. I actually like these better than Funyuns. I can't remember what Matt needs this for, to clean something, but I don't remember what he said, so we grabbed that. Grady wanted these strawberry Pop-Tarts. I don't recall him ever eating a regular Pop-Tart, so we'll see how that goes. I got the smallest box in case he doesn't like them. I got a Jimmy Dean regular pork sausage. I'm going to cut this in half and I can get 2 different meals out of it. I actually wanted 2 of these, but they only had 1 regular left and the rest were like spicy, or there was another one like that was not the regular one. I got a beef stew McCormick seasoning packet because I want to do some kind of stew or roast in the next couple weeks. I got a couple spaghettis, a rigatoni, and a corkscrew. Again, just stocking up the pantry. Ground turkey was slim pickings too. I've mentioned to you guys several times before, we live in a pretty high tourist area, especially in the summer. So a lot of the tourists, especially this weekend, are like wiping us out and bringing everything home. So I was able to get 2-pound containers of the ground turkey. This is the one we like, the 85-15. I was planning to get 2 3-pound packages, but this is all they had, so I just got whatever I could get. 1 is going to go in the freezer and 1 will go in the fridge for a recipe this week. I got our favorite smoked sausages, the Tillamook brand, 0 sugar original. We just really like those. Blackberries. The raspberries looked terrible, the regular ones, so I did have to get the organic because the regular looked horrendous. Bananas looked terrible. These actually look pretty bad. They're pretty bruised, but compared to what was left, they looked terrible. These looked good compared to the rest. Strawberries did not look great. I had to dig through several containers to find a halfway decent one, so it was kind of a bummer. But I need these for the week for Grady for breakfast, and obviously if I need to pack anything for school. I got some cocktail sauce because we're going to have shrimp cocktail today. Actually I have some of the shrimp thawing right there. The rest is in the fridge. More potatoes. I did go through quite a bit of them. I made mashed potatoes, a big tray of mashed potatoes when we had some friends over, so I did grab another bag of potatoes to refill my container, which is like almost empty now. Pringles, individual cups to pack for Grady lunch, my husband lunch. And then I also saw this soft soap brand pumpkin soap. It was like 89 cents I think, or 97 cents. So I grabbed this for the bathroom sink downstairs, or the basement sink downstairs. And then lastly, I found these pajamas for Grady. I really like this brand from Walmart, Wonder Nation. I discovered this brand a couple years ago. It's fairly new, the brand itself, but I really like everything I've gotten for my son. I've gotten him jeans, shirts, all different things. But anyways, I found these pajamas. They're like a long sleeve matching set, and it has these like fleecy type of pants. They're just like a jogger style pant. But they do carry, this brand does carry husky. So if you have a son who wears husky, you know the struggle. There's not a lot of variety. So I grab anytime I see pajamas and husky, I get them. So this set was only like $10, I think. $9.97, which I thought was a great deal for a long sleeve and pant pajama set. If they come out with more like prints, I'll get more, but slowly I'm gonna stock up on those. But anyways, that's it for right now. I will have another haul after this, and I'll share my meal plan at the end. Hey guys, it is the opposite end of the week from last haul, and I just went to Aldi and Price Chopper just to pick up the few remaining things that I needed for the rest of the week into the weekend. Just kind of a smaller amount of stuff this week. I did go to BJ's last week, as you guys saw. So at Aldi, I needed carrots. I think I told you guys a couple weeks ago I could not find any at Walmart except for those like carrot chips, and I think they had like mini carrots, but I like the whole carrots for cooking, so I'm actually going to make a beef stew, hence the beef. So I got the whole carrots from Aldi. I got a head of just green cabbage. I like to throw this in different dishes. It's really good with the ground turkey. I got some large bell peppers. They were like $3-ish. So 2 red and a yellow for cooking. I got a couple broccoli crowns. I think they were like $1.49 for both. Some Baby Bella mushrooms, which I really like. Some of the roasted salted almonds. This is just like an Aldi brand. I've seen it before in like the trail mix and nut section, Southern Grove. So this is a 14-ounce bag. Some of the Moo tubes, they're like the dupe or the Aldi brand of yogurt sticks. And then at Price, I actually wanted to get this at Aldi, the stew meat, but I just did not like the way it looked. It just looked weird, and I'm kind of weird with meat. I don't know, I know a lot of people are like that, but anyways, Price Chopper is not far. Actually, it's Market 32. I just call it Price Chopper because that's what it was called for my entire life. They just switched to Market 32. But anyways, because I did not like the way this stew meat looked at Aldi, I did just run over to Market 32 and I grabbed some stew beef there. So they only had smaller packages, which is fine. So this is 0.97, so just under a pound. And same with this, I think it's like 0.8 something. So I'll just throw both of these. I have to fry these up and flour these up and then get them in the crock pot. I already have my beef stew mix ready to remind me this morning that I needed to do that because I've got to get this in the crock pot like an hour ago. So I'm going to do that right when I stop filming this. And then I wasn't planning to get these, but at Price Chopper, or sorry, Market 32, I really like these specific fruit cups. They're the Del Monte brand. And I like this specific one. They have a whole bunch of them. They have like ruby red, peaches, mandarins, and pears, I think. But my husband likes these, I like these, and even my son will eat these. And normally they are 3 for $5, but today they were $1. They were 10 for 10. So I did just get 10 and stock up since my husband and I will both eat them. They're just easy for me to pack in his lunches. When I get a sweet craving at night, these are just easy to have for like a sweet fix. So I just stocked up on 10 of them. And that's it. So I'm going to put this stuff away. I got to get the beef stew in the crock pot like right now. And then I'll share my meal plan. Okay, so meal plan for the upcoming week. I want to do some stuffed peppers one night. Possibly a double batch. I'm probably going to have to buy more peppers. So depending when in the week I make these, I want to do 2 batches and freeze one. I'll just do a simple salad on the side. I got some whole chickens at BJ's. So I want to thaw one and do like a roast chicken dinner with some baked potatoes and some green beans that I have from my parents' garden. And then with the leftover chicken bones, I want to do some bone broth. And with the leftover chicken meat, I want to make some chicken salad. So I love making whole chickens because I can get other things out of just, you know, the dinner. I'm going to do beef enchiladas one night. I'm pretty sure I had these on a meal plan a couple weeks ago, but it never happened. I was missing an ingredient, and I can't remember what it was. But I do have the ingredients now, and I'll just do some rice and beans on the side. We actually have not had breakfast for dinner in a while, so I'm going to do some French toast, some sausage, and some fruit. Whenever I do breakfast for dinner, or even breakfast, I like to use up whatever fruits are in the fridge that that are ripe, so I can move along and get some new fruit. So it's kind of a good way to clean out the veggie or the fruits. Chicken lettuce wraps one night. I think I have a recipe video on this, so I'll link it below. And I just want to do like a little Asian slaw with some cabbage, some carrot, some red onion, and I just do kind of like a peanut sesame oil type of vibe dressing. Sometimes I'll add purple cabbage if I have it, but I don't have any of that right now. And sometimes I also add like sugar snap peas to this, and it's really tasty. I'm pretty sure I have pulled pork in my freezer. If I don't, I have a pork butt, so I will put that in the crock pot. So either way, whether I can thaw some that's already made or pull some out of the freezer and make some, I will do pulled pork sandwiches, and then I'll just do some fries in the oven. And then of course, as always, I have my freebie night. My godparents are actually coming into town from Texas. I have not seen them in many years, so they have never even met my son. So I am probably going to end up using the freebie night as doing something with them and getting together with my family. My godmother and my mom are actually best friends since childhood, so they have like an over 60-year friendship. So I'm really looking forward to spending time with them. But anyways, that's what's going on for next week. Thank you so much for watching. As always, have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.